Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. This is my variation of a classic comfort food. This recipe makes a large batch that your family can enjoy for lunch, dinner, or at snack time. We used to get this all the time as a school lunch. One day when I was about 18, I was thinking of what to eat for dinner, and I decided to try making this. For the recipe I just used my imagination. I was very encouraged when my father tried some and said, "Hey, this is pretty good," and I've been making it ever since. Work out your pan usage and timing strategy. This recipe requires a 5-liter, 5.3 quart, Dutch oven or other large pot. You'll need an additional large pot if you prepare the noodles while the meat sauce is simmering. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Lean ground beef, canned tomatoes, macaroni, onion, bell pepper, garlic, salt, black pepper, oregano, cayenne pepper, oil. Now let's make it. Saute onions and green pepper in the oil plus salt over medium heat until onions are translucent and peppers are soft, about 10 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Add garlic, continue cooking for 1 minute. Add meat and brown. Alternatively, you can brown in a separate pan and drain to reduce fat. Add tomatoes, oregano, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. My gas stove is very hot, so I also add 1 cup of water which will mostly evaporate. Adjust this amount for your stove. Bring to boil, then reduce to low and simmer for 30 minutes. Stir occasionally, and mash the tomatoes but leaving some tomato chunks. Keep reading below. Prepare the noodles as per the package instructions if you haven't already done so, timing this to coincide with the completion of the sauce. When everything is cooked, combine the noodles and the meat sauce mixture. This goes well with bread or toast, and with salad. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thanks for watching. For more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. Finally, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave us suggestions for other recipes and cooking tips in the comments.